Y'all been on a roll with this whole organizing thing, so we gotta get in there, girl. It's a whole mess. I'm afraid to let y'all in. Y'all gonna be like, Tish, I didn't know you roll like that. Girl, I roll like this sometimes. It gets out of hand. Y'all, oh my God, I already see. Girl, left side, middle, right side. First of all, y'all already know, this is from my, so I wasn't here, I was in Vegas. And this was delivered, girl, you know how I feel about cardboard in my refrigerator. I always take it out and throw in here, right? But, yeah, that's cool. But y'all see I got the Miracle Whip, girl. That was from the potato salad. I ain't making no more potato salad. Girl, this is going on some leftover. Girl, remember I made them raviolis? Oh my goodness. I don't know what this is. Y'all, I caught it. I caught it. Yes. This is, look like sauerkraut. That don't go up there. Look, I got rice in here, girl. I got coquito left. Oh my God, what's this? The Protein Plus. The almond milk, but I don't have no regular milk. Passion fruit juice. I see some fa la la back there, half and half from Wawa. Oh my goodness, the eggs, the cheese. What's in here? Girl, I don't even like lettuce. So this is my husband with the open lettuce. Like, let me close that. Girl, what's over here? Oh, all right. Some juice down there. Now, I hardly ever have anything expire in my refrigerator. It just look crazy. So, you know, jelly's always down here. This is like almost gone. And guess what? It's going to go in the trash because I don't even want it. Some syrup, you know, girl, you see it's 3 up in here too. Yes, my French vanilla. Got the butter up there and the spray and, you know, I can't believe it's not butter. I can't believe it. So let me scroll. Let me go over here. I don't know. I was trying to make it do something and I don't know. Girl, I don't know. But let me do some things real quick. I don't think I'm going to get down here. I don't want to get down there. One thing at a time, right? That's the freezer down there. Let me see. All right, y'all. So I pulled out some stuff that I had on top of the freezer in the laundry room. So, you know, these I just grabbed from the DT. So I got 3 of these. I have 2 turntables. Girl, you know how long this stuff been sitting up here? So I got some turntables going on. I'm looking at the pictures, seeing what they doing. I might have to do that. And then I have a couple of these freezer bins. They got more pics on here, give you some ideas, right? So I got a couple of those. So let me see. Let me pull everything out, right? Isn't that what they say? Pull everything out. Start with a clean slate. So let me do that. I just aggravated myself saying that I gotta pull everything out. Darn it. right, y'all, so remember the all-purpose cleaner I got from the DT? Remember I got like the clear one, this one, a yellow one, right? Girl, it's about to get sprayed in here. You hear the refrigerator because it's been open? All right, I'm gonna get to the sides while that's doing this little soaky soap, you know what I'm saying? All right, so here we go, you guys. I did spray. I'm about to clean those shelves off, and I sprayed the sides. So while I'm doing this, the sides are kind of like doing its thing. The only thing I didn't take out was the juices. You know what? I'll take them out so that I can wipe it down real quick. But yes, I'm excited about getting everything back. Girl, I can't believe all of this stuff came out of my refrigerator. Oh my goodness, girl, but I'm about to handle it though. I'm gonna throw away some things. What? She had to grab some juice out of the pile. Oh my goodness. But yeah, you guys, let me handle it. Girl, I'm just trying to get it done. Everything is kind of like in piles now. I threw stuff out, and you saw I got rid of like food and containers, threw the containers, washed them out, threw them in the dishwasher. And I did have like 1 or 2 things that was about to expire next week, girl, in the trash. So yeah, no order. I have no idea where things are going to go. I kind of got an idea, but let's just get it in. All right, so as I'm thinking about putting some things in here, some things have to stay where they were, or it's gonna freak my husband out. Like, it's gonna be a whole thing. So yeah, let me see. All right, that's not gonna work out, those turn thingies, because the girls are used to their juice being over here, right? He's used to his stuff being over here. I could move his, but let me see. All right, I don't think I'm gonna be able to use these because I can't use them on any other shelf except the top. And it's not gonna work out. Darn. I mean, I can use these somewhere else, my makeup or whatever, but I really wanted to use them in here, but it's not gonna work. All right, I grabbed these from Amazon that I had on top of the freezer. Girl, I can't pull it off. What the? What is happening? Refrigerator beeping, girl. All kinds of stuff happening. Oh my goodness, I'ma break it. Remember when I broke the ones I got for the cereal? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. I'm getting pissed off. I'm trying not to be pissed off. If I break it now, it is not budging. Like, I'm tired trying to pull it. It's not budging. All right, let me nix this for now. I got one out, the top one. This thing says, this is a set, do not separate. I can't even get it apart. It fits perfectly on the shelf. This is what I need, and I can't get it to... All right, so I know what I'm gonna use this for. That'll be perfect. Girl, my every plate stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna dip it all in here, throw that in, boom. All right, you guys, girl, here I go with the satisfaction. This looks amazing to me. Oh my goodness. So everything's all lined up. I threw some waters in there, got the juices. I took the, what do you call a turn thingy? I took that out and I put them in here instead. I like that better. That hole up there gave me anxiety. So I put it in here, boom, I could pull that out. I love these things from the DT. So yes, got my lid on, thick butter right there. These are the packets that come with the every plate. So I have them in here. Yeah, what else I got going on? The juices stayed. I threw the pudding in here. I got the lunch meat. Y'all, do y'all say lunch meat or deli meat? I say lunch meat. Hubby says deli. But yeah, I got some of that stuff going on. Got the cheese over there. And the doors are looking tight and right. I love this. Everything kind of stayed the same over here and over here. So, girl, yes. Look, I got the sauces going on. I got all that going on down there. So, I am 100% satisfied. Again, we're not going to talk about this yet. Let me bring the camera back up. We'll discuss that another day. Pretend it's not there. But yes, you guys, I'm done. I'm so happy.